Alright, so this is the second of 2 tutorials for a dance lesson tribute to Avicii. So if you're tuning in and you don't know what I'm talking about, then click the link either above or in the description to go to the first tutorial. It's a pretty long one. Now in this second tutorial, we're going to go through what to do in the quiet sections of the song as it builds up before the chorus drops. And then after that, we can move into a practice. Alright, so now I'm going to add a little more to that for guys who want to do it. So the song's going to build up just like any other EDM track, where there's no beat at some points and the other parts is just kind of building up with some percussion. So for beginners, what you're going to do is just shoulder rolls as it's building up. Doesn't have to be on rhythm. As the percussion hits, you can either jack or you can rock. Now for guys who want to do it and make it more of a complete dance, only if you're ready, we're going to do this modified side step, the crossover, like that. So the count, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. So it's kind of like loose legs to the side without the heel toe. So look at it from behind, it might be easier to see what's going on. I'm stepping over on 1, side step, step behind, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like a quick step back and crossover. I explain this move in total detail. If you try loose legs slow and you do the practice, this is just like an easier variation that breaks it down nicely. So I explained this dance move in my programs completely, and we do some slow practices, which is always beneficial when you're trying to build up to do this dance move. Now let's see how it transitions into the Pas de Bouree for the chorus. So we're going to step over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to finish in this open side step, which makes it really easy to go into the Pas de Bouree because you're just going to step behind like that for the chorus, just like that. Again, if you don't feel it and it's going to confuse you from doing the Avicii spin step, just rock when the chorus drops, or jack when the chorus drops, go right into the Pas de Bouree. I'm just doing it just for a little bit more variety. Makes the lesson more interesting, right? So again, we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that's a pretty tricky transition. Let's try it again. I'm going to do a little bit slower. Okay, we're going to do a little bit slower. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, crossing over for 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so on my count, we're going to do 8 counts of the crossover step, and then we're going to do 8 counts of Pas de Bouree, transitioning from one to the other seamlessly. My count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Hey, that concludes the second tutorial. Let's move on to the dance practice now. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it always helps.